Breaking news that's coming in right now. Patanjali founder Ramdev calls Omar Abdullah a traitor after he pitched for the appointment of a separate Prime Minister in Jammu and Kashmir. So that's the latest information that's coming in right now. Ramdev has called Omar Abdullah, National Conference leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, a traitor for demanding a separate Prime Minister for Jammu and Kashmir.
तो एक देश, एक निजाम, एक संविधान, एक कानून ही होगा ना। और इसकी खिलाफत करने वालों के ऊपर खुद देशद्रोह के मुकदमे करके और उनको सबक सिखाना चाहिए। और आखिर ये जो देश के नागरिक अपने आप को कहते हैं और इस देश में वो एमएलए, एमपी, सीएम और पीएम बनने का की ख्वाब देखते हैं और यहाँ तक कि इतना दुस्साहस कि एक अलग राष्ट्र बनाने की भी चुनौती देते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है देश के संविधान के दायरे में उनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का मामला बनता है।
My colleague Shuja ul Haq now joins me on the phone line from Srinagar. Shuja, Omar Abdullah's statement has stoked a massive political controversy. Now give us a sense of where is this demand coming from? What is the background to this?
Well, Poulomi, you have to understand the logic in the background, to which this statement was made. Yesterday, when Omar Abdullah said this in the speech, he basically was pointing towards the entire, circumstances in which the state of Jammu and Kashmir decided to accede with the Dominion of India in 1947. So, what he was pointing out yesterday was the fact that because there were certain terms and conditions that were set by the people of Jammu and Kashmir at that point of time. That's why the state of Jammu and Kashmir was special. And that's why if people are talking about abrogating 35A or taking away the special status of the Jammu and Kashmir state, they should understand that it was more than just 35A or anything else. That's where he made the comment of, possibility of having its own Prime Minister, which was there, till the time it was repealed, somewhere in 1960s. So Omar Abdullah also himself reacted to the Prime Minister's tweet yesterday, saying that it wasn't his own comment or his party's comment, but the Constitution of India had guaranteed it at one point of time.
But Mr. Jaitley, when he argued in his blog against what Omar Abdullah had said that this wasn't guaranteed in 1947, this wasn't guaranteed when the Constitution was made in 1950, it was inserted, these special provisions vis-a-vis Jammu and Kashmir were inserted into the Constitution in 1954 and hence cannot be held as the be-all and end-all of the arrangement.
Mr. Jaitley was, in a sense, talking about only about 35A and saying that that was brought in by way of a presidential order which was brought in 1954.
Right.
But the overall point that Omar Abdullah was making was about the entire status which is considered to be special to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which was decided at the time when the state, decided to go with the Dominion of India. The issue of separate Prime Minister or Sadr Riyasat is something that which existed at that point of time, but it was, downgraded somewhere in the 60s. But Omar Abdullah yesterday said if time comes and things come to that, we probably would ask for that again. So that is where the controversy lies.
Right.
The use of terminology by Omar Abdullah yesterday is what created this controversy.
Right. Shuja, thank you so much for putting things into perspective.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.